So you keep thinking that how some people seem to go viral so easily while you're stuck trying to figure it out? Here's the secret. AI has become so advanced that it's now creating videos that look and feel just like human-made content. So real, it's almost impossible to tell the difference. And what does YouTube algorithm want? Videos that people would watch longer, right? And because of this, it's now easier than ever to go viral. With AI, you can make high-quality videos in minutes, giving you the freedom to upload not one, but 2 videos a day without ever compromising on quality. And here's the catch. YouTube rewards consistency and frequent uploads more than anything, meaning the more you post, the better your chances of going viral. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI to create viral content effortlessly and take your channel to the next level. Skip this, and you'll miss the biggest opportunity of the year. 2025 is yours, guys, so make it count. Don't waste it. Guys, videos about futuristic topics go viral easily because people are always curious about what the future might look like. It's exciting to imagine advanced technology, new worlds, or life-changing ideas. That's why movies like Cyberpunk and Bloodshot, or games with futuristic themes, become huge hits. They give people a glimpse of what could be, and it keeps them hooked. If you want your videos to grab attention and get more views, you should focus on futuristic niche, such as futuristic apocalyptic world. The best part is that this niche has literally zero competition, so you can easily go viral in a few months. Take a look at a video that I created in just a few minutes on this niche using AI.
The world is frozen and dark after a nuclear war. Thick clouds of ash block the sun, making the temperature drop to dangerous levels. People live underground using what little they have to survive. Scientists say the only way to make it through is by finding ways to stay.
Guys, today, we will be using a new and advanced AI tool named VidAI to make our videos on our niche. Videos generated by VidAI are very high quality and 100% monetizable. So guys, to get started, you just need to create an account using your Gmail. And after that, once you land on this interface, things get pretty simple. It costs only 5 credits to make one video, and VidAI doesn't cost any extra or hidden credits for customizing video. After you land here, you can simply select what type of videos you want to create. We will go with faceless shorts, because we want to make futuristic videos. And after that, you can simply give your project a name. And after that, from the popular topics, you can go with the most popular prearranged niches. Or from the prompt section, you can simply enter your video topic, and VidAI will simply write a good script for you. Or in the script section, you can just paste your own custom script. It's all up to you. But let's make our custom script this time. For that, we will use GPT, and we will simply ask GPT to provide us some video ideas in the form of titles on futuristic apocalyptic world. And GPT will then provide us with video topics, guys, without AI. It would took us hours to figure out a basic video topic. But see, with AI, it literally took seconds. That's why I prefer AI. Okay, guys, now we will simply ask GPT that we want a short story script on our video topic. And then we will just paste our video topic here. And after that, we will just ask GPT to use simple English so that it sounds natural and not robotic. And we will also ask GPT to start script directly from the main point and not to waste any time, to immediately hook viewers. And then we will also tell GPT that the script should be of 800 to 900 characters, max. And in return, GPT will provide us with a professional and carefully crafted retention-grabbing script. So we will simply copy-paste this script in VidAI. And then you just select a good voiceover character for your video. I found Matt's voice to be suitable with this niche. And after that, you can simply select a good image model for the video. There are 12 image models, and all of them are very popular. And among all of these, I found Cinematic Model to be the best for this niche. And then finally click on Generate. And VidAI will then start gathering the materials for the video, and then just click on Next. And then from the top section, you can simply select a good background music for your video. There are plenty of those musics available. You can just select a music that best suits your video topic, and after that, you can fully edit the video, like changing the caption style, the font of the captions, and even the color of the captions. You can also add effects to the video, either zoom effect or shake effect, and that's it. Simply click on Generate, and VidAI will start making the video for you. It will take some time to generate the video, but the final results and video quality will be worth, and the video is ready. Let's have a look at it.
The Earth was gone, a lifeless, barren rock after centuries of greed and war. Humanity's last survivors, cramped into a colossal ship, stared out at the emptiness of space, their hearts heavy with the loss of their home. The ship had been their prison for 100 years, but now, a new world emerged on the horizon. Nova Terra, a planet with red skies and golden forests. It wasn't perfect, but it was hope. Landing wasn't easy. Storms raged and the air felt heavy, but they adapted. With trembling hands, they planted Earth's last seeds into alien soil. Watched them grow and began again. They built homes, schools, and hope. Though their new planet was harsh, they had learned from their mistakes. This time, they vowed to honor their new home and the second chance they'd been given.
Damn, that was great. Even the clips were also similar to the voiceover, but we are not done yet. Now what we will do is we will make another video on another one of the best niche named What If Niche. We will paste our video topic in the prompt section because this time we want VidAI to write the script for us as well. And you can get video ideas the same way we did before, and then the remaining process is same as before, but you can do some changes this time, like choosing a different voiceover and image style, and also a different background music. But all the process, we will be same as before. I really like AI, because AI has made things way easier for us that were near to impossible just a few years back. And trust me, you should adapt with AI, or you will miss the opportunities in front of you. When Elon Musk said that AI is very dangerous, he was not lying. AI can be very dangerous. If you don't use it for your own benefits, you will be left far behind in the race. Now, let's have a look at our video.
Imagine a world where dinosaurs never went extinct. These magnificent creatures would roam freely, shaping ecosystems. Social structures would form, fostering cooperation and communication. Predators would thrive, balancing the food chain. Family bonds would deepen, ensuring survival. Migration patterns would evolve, influencing climate interactions. New species would emerge, leading to diverse life forms. Natural events would test their resilience and adaptability. Reproduction strategies would evolve, ensuring species...
Are you tired already? Because I have one more niche to cover in this video, which is considered one of the best niche even right now. And that is self-improvement niche with anime footage. Like before, we will simply provide VidAI with our video idea, and the remaining settings will be same. This is the best part of AI, that no matter which niche you are targeting, you don't need to be a professional. You just need to have some knowledge about how to use AI, and that's it. Now, many of you will say that we know how to make videos. Tell us how to get views. Just tell me one thing. Do you really think that there is some sort of secret or a shortcut? Trust me, there is no secret or shortcut. Just tons of smart tactics that you must know if you want to succeed on YouTube. For that, I have created my free Discord server, and soon we'll be launching my private academy. Link to my Discord server will be in the description. Don't forget to join. Our video is ready, guys. Let's watch it.
Overthinking can feel like being trapped in your own mind. Let's break free.
Step 1. Acknowledge your thoughts. Recognize when you're overthinking. Step 2. Challenge those thoughts. Ask yourself, are they true? Step 3. Visualize positive outcomes. Shift your focus to the good. Step 4. Practice mindfulness. Stay present in the moment. Step 5. Connect with others. Share your thoughts and feelings. Remember, overthinking doesn't define you. Embrace your passions, they can help redirect your mind. Find solace in reading, it transports you away from worries. Exercise is a great way to clear your mind. Journaling helps organize your thoughts and release tension.
Guys, trust me, no cap. But this AI tool is really good with character consistency and creating a video that people would love to watch. Link to VidAI will be in the description. Guys, this is the end of this video. But if you need any help, feel free to reach out to me.